Welcome to oziTarget Map. This is a quick setup guide and covers the 4 ideas that make day-to-day flying and planning so much easier. Tile groups, workspaces, project files, and flight files. Think of them this way. Tile groups are the data readouts and frequently used tools that sit on top of the map. Workspaces are saved layouts of your whole screen. A project file is the map and file set you open for a location before you start a flight. And a flight file is a snapshot of all the data drawn and collected during a flight. Let's start with the tile groups. A tile group is a named collection of data fields and compact tools that float on top of the map. Things like speed, track, altitude, position, and time. Or tools such as stopwatch, countdown timer, transit tool, or heading hold. Open the Tile Groups menu and tick a group to show or hide it. Choose Add Tile Group to create a new layout. This will open the tile control where you name the group, pick a layout, be it vertical, horizontal, or grid, pick the fields that are in the group, and set the spacing, font size, color, and opacity. You can also right-click a group on the map and choose Edit Tile Group. You can drag tile groups to place them wherever you want on the screen. Visibility and placement of tile groups is handled by Workspaces, but they can also be turned on or off at any time. Next, Workspaces. A workspace is a snapshot of your entire screen. It includes tool windows and where they sit, the toolbars and the tile groups that are visible, and their positions, and any open tracking tiles as well. Build different workspaces for different jobs. Maybe a planning mode for on the ground, and then another workspace for in-flight tasks. Maybe even a clean, simple navigation layout to keep the map clear between tasks. When your focus changes, switch to a matching workspace from the menu, rather than manually dragging around windows or opening and closing them. Use Save Workspace As to capture the current layout under a new name. Use Update Current when you've improved the layout that you're already using. Just remember the split. Tile Control edits the design of a tile group, while a workspace only remembers which groups and toolbars were open and where they sat on the screen. Toolbar layouts and selections are saved with each workspace, so you can also set those up for different use cases too. Backup and restore are under the same menu to keep your layouts safe so you can easily move between computers. Next, project files. A project is a collection of files for a location or an event. It is saved as a .otmp file and includes the map either as a link or as an embedded file along with the waypoints and track files. Projects are designed to share all the needed data in one file. They are powerful with lots of options and will get a dedicated video very soon. Go to Options Project Manager to build a new or update an existing project and the files included in it. Use New Flight at Startup or from the Options menu to reload the last project, clean and ready to start flight planning. You can also load waypoints or tracks from an OTMP file via the Load Waypoints or Tracks menus if needed. Finally, flight files. A flight file captures everything on the map right now for later review or resuming a flight. The map link, tracks, waypoints, flight winds, wind reader data, live tracking and much more are all saved in the flight file. The flight file is the core of the autosave feature and will bring you right back to where you were if you select Resume Flight on restarting the app. Make sure it's enabled in the Settings menu. To recap, tile groups are on-map readouts and tools, workspaces are whole screen layouts you can switch between, projects are ready-to-use map and event files, flight files are the flight snapshot. Set up your tile groups, workspaces and projects once, and every new flight will start faster. Thanks for watching.